I hear the calling of the heart as it sings to the love it seeks. It leads me to the secret place where we come together and meet. And here the teacher's robe is given to the students to wear and hold. Till the student and the teacher understand the oneness that each can behold. And I see a million points of light sparkling throughout the land. And in each heart, there is that point that is a seed to be planted. So in each heart, love can be in command. And the blossoming of the new birth, across the fields of time and space, there's a bud awakening to be a gift of love here on earth. And somewhere there's a connection made, and the aligning of all of those dots. There is an interaction of true magic and a calling of the heart. There is a cosmic connection in all life between the night and the day. There is the lover and the beloved, each with a role to play. And there is a network of pure energy that is born through all of time and space. Creation's cosmic dance is calling, awakening us to know our place. This call of life brings us to this moment. And here we are, teacher and student, lover of life, joined together as one, each playing their own part. Together here in this time and space, found by the calling of the heart.